Look, the parts are all primered up now. So what I'm going to do is a light sanding. I'm using 400 grain or grit sandpaper. I actually let it soak in some water for a while. And of course we're back in the kitchen sink now. I'm going to wet the part down real good. And I'm going to sand it just very lightly because this is already a smooth surface that's being painted on, so it's not like we're trying to knock out any indentations or anything of that nature, but just a light sanding all the way on every surface is going to be painted just to make sure that it's nice and smooth, keeping it wet while you're doing it. Good old wet sand. Part of the surface. You can feel it while you're doing it and see the smoothness of it. Okay, and that takes care of that. Just rinse it off real good. And then of course let it dry, and that's what I'm going to do with each one of my parts that I've already primered before I put on my first base coat.